The Recording Connection and the staff here, from the mentors all the way down to the academic facilitators. I like to think of it as a major support network for a student that I know I personally didn't have when I went to a four-year college. I think what's really interesting is that we don't just supply an education, we're presenting you with what we hope to be a lifelong relationship with an industry professional, someone who's succeeding as an audio engineer, producer, whatever it might be. We're supplying you with a top-of-the-line studio to go learn at, and then also an academic facilitator who's, like I said, a support kind of net for you as well. I think that's what really separates this program apart from others, is it's not just like, here, go learn. It's like, go learn, but in a very current and active and hands-on and an exciting way. The relationship with the mentor is a major networking potential, and it's kind of about what you put into it. And I think that's another thing, is you're not going to be rewarded for just showing up. The music industry doesn't reward people that way. The film industry doesn't reward people that way. It's all about what you put into it. And the more you put in this program, absolutely, the more you get out, and I think that's really awesome.